Making a withdrawal from your Tentrade account is very fast. The first thing you need to have is a verified account. Please ensure that your account with us is verified. That's the first step. And the second step is to go ahead with the withdrawal process. Where do you go to? You want to come to this left-hand side under funds, click on it and click on withdraw funds. And you see all the available options to withdraw. Now, it's very important to note that the method that you made a deposit with has to be the method you are going to withdraw with for your withdrawal to be processed. So if you made a deposit with CoraPay, you should also withdraw with CoraPay. So you don't make a deposit with CoraPay and withdraw with BankWire or cryptocurrency. So let's assume, so these are all the options available to you to make a withdrawal. So if you're making a withdrawal into your cryptocurrency wallet, select that, and you're going to be asked for upload your payment details. So this will require that you tell us the address you want us to send to. So I want to upload details for USDT. So these are other details that you can add based on what you made your deposit with. So if you made deposit with USDT, select that, and then this will be your USD wallet. Okay, so you want to put that in. Once that is there, you click on submit. So that will go right into the system like so, and then you click on continue. All right, but because there is no money in these accounts, this wouldn't go through. So but as soon as you have your payment details uploaded, click on continue and your payment to be processed same day. Okay, now if you go to other withdrawal methods, it will take you through the same process. So if you're making a withdrawal via BankWire multi-currency or BankWire USD, first thing you'll be asked for is to upload your payment details. So it's the same process for every method here. So this will be details of your domicile local bank account. So you want to put that in. Once you are done imputing the values, click on upload. It's going to show on this left, on this right hand side. And when you select that method, you just select the real payment details to use. And withdrawals, usually same day, within 24 hours, you should get withdrawals. The only reason why you might exceed 24 hours will be an issue with your bank, possibly bank transaction times for bank wire transfer or multi-currency bank transfer.